rolling.
All right, vintage loving friends, this is part 2 of 3 of the Native American jewelry that we got in this amazing haul. It just keeps on going. It's pretty incredible. I mean, the belts in the first part were nuts. There are more belts. This is all one person's collection. You got to check this stuff out. So take screenshots. You can DM us. You can text us. Let us know if anything interests you. But it just keeps going. It's an incredible collection. Check this out. I don't know yet. I didn't look up what this one's made out of. Look at this fetish necklace. Aren't they incredible? Fantastic condition too. I think we've got at least 4 or 5 more belts, maybe 6. Do you remember, Josh? How many belts?
5.
5? Look at this. Let me see. Oh, this one's really cool. I know you wanted to keep. Look at this. This one is unusual. It's got like 3 or 4 big panels of silver across the front with big pieces of turquoise, and then the leather across the back. Right? It's all signed. That's pretty amazing. Oh, here's another fetish necklace that we have. Look at this guy. Little bears. So freaking cool. Oh, and this bracelet, I love this. Look at the inlay on this one too. Is that intense? And all this like cut work. Totally stunning. I don't know if that's like a little like chip right there, but we'll take pictures and see like what's going on with that. But it's really amazing. So if they don't sell in the video, they're going to be listed on eBay, but really, really exciting. Oh, look at this watch. So this has the, I think it's called Navajo wedding basket, right? And if the watch part doesn't work, you can always have that replaced. But the important part is the bracelet, as they call it. Oh, we have, oh, speaking of, another belt with that wedding basket. So we don't polish our silver, we leave it as is. Once it's yours and you're going to keep it, then you can polish it. But pretty insane. What else do we have? I know, I feel like this box is like the never-ending box of treasure. Look, we've got a hair clip. Look at this guy. This one's all fully signed as well. Oh, these are the earrings that match the belt in that first video. So make sure you check that one out. Oh, and there's some belt buckles too. I mean, what a collection. This lady just kept buying and buying, but she wasn't even gonna like take this box of goodies out of the car because she thought we just wanted clothes. Let's see. One more belt. Oh, there's at least like 4 more belts in there. This one is a beautiful size. Look at how like, I love how simple this one is though too. But so well made. You can tell the leather's a little bit more worn, but you can replace it if you want to. Let me gently unwind this one, and then we'll have to wrap some. This is like probably the shortest belt out of the bunch, but still super gorgeous. And I love like the shape of the stones here too. They're a little bit more like natural. And then what's in this? Oh, I think this is that. Oh my God. This guy. Look. And he moves. He's like articulated. Let's see what the back looks like. Look at that workmanship. Is that crazy? It's all signed. Really, really stunning. And then if you look, these beads here, they're all graduated. So they're larger and then they get to be small and super tiny towards the end of the clasp. And the beak is in great shape. So I'm going to put the lid on that and close it up so nothing happens while it's under my care or my staff's care until it gets to its forever home. All right, one more bag of this. Yes, and then we'll do our 3rd video. So we've got sterling silver earrings. I would think that this looks more like spiny oyster than like a true coral because of the color. And then we've got one more gorgeous, gorgeous belt buckle. That radial engraving, and it's signed on the back here. All right, so that's it for this haul. We still have a couple more belts and 1 more big box of jewelry to go through, and that would be 3 of 3 videos on the incredible Native American jewelry unboxing haul. Let us know what you're interested in. Bye, vintage loving friends.